Hello everyone, welcome back to this physics video. In today's video, we are going to learn about of that relationship between current and drift velocity. Okay, so this drift velocity that it is written as that of V, and this is subscript D. Okay, D for drift and V for velocity. So it is drift velocity. Okay, so for this purpose, student, I have considered this is a conductor, and the length of this conductor it is L. Okay, so this is the cylindrical conductor. So this end it is P, while this end it is Q. So over here the cross section area of this conductor it is A, capital A. Okay, and we have connected it with this battery or that cell which is maintaining that potential difference. Okay, now over here student, what we have to find out, we have to find out current relation with the drift velocity. So how do we write current? So current is given by that charge, rate of flow of charge, so it is q by t. Okay, so now over here student, we need to look in this diagram that how much is the charge flowing due to of that potential difference when we are maintaining across the ends of this conductor. Okay, so for this student, we should have that knowledge how much is the number of free that charge carrier in it. Okay, so therefore I said that let there are this number of free electron in its unit volume. ओके, व्हाट आई हैव सेड ओवर देयर कि उसके एक छोटे से वॉल्यूम के अंदर इन इट्स यूनिट वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल टू एन. व्हाट आई सेड दैट कि उसके यूनिट वॉल्यूम में कितने फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन है, देयर आर एन फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन. ओके, एंड therefore how much will be the number of electron in its total volume then. तो इसका टोटल वॉल्यूम कितना है? सो टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ दिस कंडक्टर, total volume is its area of cross section A and its length is L, so it is AL. This is the total volume over here. Therefore that what will be the total number of free electron then? So total number of free electron in the conductor, so that we get student it is NaL. ठीक है, क्योंकि यूनिट वॉल्यूम में कितना था N और टोटल वॉल्यूम कितना था इसका Al, तो इसलिए टोटल इलेक्ट्रॉन कितने बनेंगे फिर NaL. ओके, दिस इज ओवर देयर दैट टोटल नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. ठीक है, नाउ हाउ मच इज द चार्ज कैरिड बाय दिस total number of electron. Okay, so that we are known over there from the quantization condition कि Q equal to Ne, number of electron you are known, so you multiply it with the basic charge, so you will get the total charge. So therefore that total charge, what it will come, so this will come that how many number of electron are there, so it is NaL, and how much is the charge on one, it is E. Okay, from this quantization condition, see that. So therefore it is the total charge, or I can write it as NeAL. So this is the total charge over there. Okay, so thus here I have calculated first that how much is the number of electron in it, and how much is the total charge due to of these free electron. We are taking only the free electron, okay, which can move. Only for those electron we are taking over here. So it is what it is that it is charge density, number of free electron in its unit volume. This is given by N. Okay, now over here that second important term is to note down time. Okay, so for here student, look into this diagram. When potential difference is maintained, due to of it that electric field gets set up in this conductor. ठीक है, इसकी वजह से इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड सेट हो जाती है, एंड दिस इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड दैट इट ड्रिफ्ट द इलेक्ट्रॉन. तो ये क्या करता है, इलेक्ट्रॉन को अपोजिट टू द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड जो थे ये चलना शुरू हो जाते हैं. सो दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन दे स्टार्ट टू मूव फ्रॉम Q टू P. ठीक है. सो नाउ ओवर हेयर ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है वो कौन सी स्पीड से चलते हैं, with what speed they start to go from Q to P. So in presence of electric field they move with drift velocity. कौन सी होती है ये इनकी एवरेज वेलोसिटी जिसके साथ ये इलेक्ट्रॉन उस इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के अगेंस्ट चलते हैं. सो दिस इज ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी. Okay, now with this speed they will cover the that distance from Q to P. So therefore, how much is the time taken? So there I'm going to write uh, time taken by electron to flow from Q to P. Okay, so how much is this one? So this is equal to how much is the distance they have to cover? They have to cover L distance, and with what speed they are covering it? They are covering it with this drift speed, drift velocity. Thus this is that time taken by them to reach from Q to P. Okay, therefore then what will be the value of current? So current is equal to, as is said, by Q by T. So total charge is NEAL upon में T is what? L by VD. So VD will go in the numerator. So thus L and L is going to cancel. That implies current is equal to NEAVD. Remember over there, don't use this D in a separate. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं कि D को अलग से यूज़ कर लिया. तो D जो है ये सबस्क्रिप्ट यूज़ किया जा रहा है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे ऐसे D छोटा सा सबस्क्रिप्ट यूज़ करना है, D फॉर ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी. ठीक है. सो दस आई हैव दिस इज द रिलेशनशिप. तो इसमें क्या है, I का मतलब हो गया करंट. ठीक है. N का मतलब क्या हो गया, दैट नंबर ऑफ फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन इन यूनिट वॉल्यूम. ठीक है, सारे के सारे इलेक्ट्रॉन नहीं लेने आपने, ओनली जो फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन है उनकी डेंसिटी की बात हो रही है. E is what? That it is the basic charge on electron. And A is what? That it is area of cross section of this conductor. And VD is what? So this is drift velocity. Okay, so thus we come to know over here about this relationship which is between that current and drift velocity. तो current क्या था, Q by T था स्टूडेंट. हमने फिर पहले तो फाइंड आउट किया कि इसमें कितने चार्ज है. तो चार्ज के लिए हमने सबसे पहले जो टोटल नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन निकाला उसको E से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो टोटल चार्ज आया. देयर आफ्टर वी सेट दैट जैसे ही इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड सेट होगी सो दर जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है वो ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी से Q से P की तरफ चलेंगे. So to cover this distance L with this speed, the time taken by them, so it is L by VD, and we kept it in this formula, and thus we got our relation. Okay, now over here this is the second part of this derivation, that current and drift and this current density and drift velocity. Okay, so how they are related to each other? So their relationship, student, we can also derive it. So as I is equal to NEAVD, this is, so area, A is area. If I will take this to the left side, then it will be I by A, which is NEVD. Okay, and this is what? It is current passing through unit area, and that it was current density J. So thus we get that this is J equal to NEVD. NEVD. This is current density. Okay, so thus N is what? These are the number of free electron in unit volume. Okay, and E is what? That it is basic charge on an electron, and VD is what? It is the drift velocity, while this J is what? It is current density. Okay, so therefore this is all from my today's video. Thank you for watching.